Let's talk fruit. Not just the kind you toss in a lunchbox or blend into a smoothie, but the kind that tells a story. One of flavor, nutrition, and a bit of surprise. But not just any fruit. Today we're diving into the world of two fruits that might not always get the spotlight but absolutely deserve it. Most people picture apples or berries, the familiar faces of the fruit world, bright, sweet, and always in season at the grocery store. But today, we're spotlighting two unique contenders, the apricot and the avocado. They may look worlds apart, but both have fascinating stories and nutritional secrets to share. In one corner, the apricot, small, fuzzy, sun-kissed, and sweet. It's a classic stone fruit, beloved for its delicate flavor and soft texture. Apricots have been cherished for centuries, from ancient Persia to modern farmers' markets. In the other, the avocado, creamy, savory, and technically a berry, defying fruit conventions. Its rich, buttery flesh has made it a global sensation, from guacamole to gourmet toast. The apricot is a picnic staple, light and refreshing, perfect for snacking under the sun or adding a burst of sweetness to your morning yogurt. The avocado is a brunch superstar, rich and satisfying. It's the hero of salads, sandwiches, and of course, the ever-popular avocado toast. But why compare them? Because each offers a different path to nutritional excellence. They're both fruits, but their benefits couldn't be more different, and that's what makes this comparison so interesting. One is low-calorie and vitamin-packed, a go-to for those seeking a light, nutrient-dense snack that won't weigh you down. The other is loaded with healthy fats and unique nutrients, offering a creamy texture and a dose of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. Think of them as tools in your nutritional toolbox, each with a specific job. Apricots bring vitamins and fiber, while avocados deliver healthy fats and minerals. Today, we'll peel back their skins and compare calories, fats, vitamins, and fiber. We'll look at what makes each fruit special and how they can fit into your daily routine. We'll see how they benefit your body, from your eyes to your gut, and even your heart. Whether you're looking for a quick energy boost or long-lasting satiety, these fruits have something to offer. By the end, you'll know when to reach for an apricot, maybe for a sweet snack, a healthy dessert, or a vitamin-rich addition to your breakfast. And when to grab an avocado, perhaps for a creamy spread, a filling lunch, or a boost of healthy fats. Ready for the showdown? Let's begin our delicious journey. Meet the apricot, small but mighty. One fresh apricot has just 17 calories, making it a guilt-free snack. It's nature's candy-sweet, low-calorie, and satisfying. Apricots shine in vitamins, especially vitamin A and C. Their orange color comes from beta-carotene, an antioxidant your body turns into vitamin A, crucial for vision and immunity. Vitamin C helps protect your cells, supports your immune system, and builds collagen for healthy skin. Apricots also deliver potassium, an electrolyte that helps manage blood pressure and fluid balance. And don't forget fiber, both soluble and insoluble, great for digestion. Apricots are antioxidant-rich, fighting oxidative stress and supporting overall health. They're portable, delicious, and nutrient-dense. Next time you see an apricot, remember it's a pocket full of sunshine. Small fruit, big benefits. That's the apricot advantage. Apricots aren't just tasty, they're functional. These golden orange fruits have been cherished for centuries, not only for their sweet, tangy flavor but also for their impressive health benefits. Whether you enjoy them fresh, dried, or as part of your favorite recipes, apricots offer much more than meets the eye. For your skin, vitamin C boosts collagen, keeping it firm and elastic. This means fewer wrinkles and a more youthful glow. Apricots are also rich in vitamin E, which helps protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals and environmental stressors. Including apricots in your diet can help your skin stay hydrated and radiant. Beta-carotene acts as an antioxidant, helping protect skin from sun and pollution. It works alongside other nutrients in apricots to defend your skin from harmful UV rays and the effects of daily exposure to toxins. This natural protection can help reduce the risk of premature aging and keep your complexion looking fresh. Eating apricots is like giving your skin a nutritional boost from within. The combination of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants nourishes your body at a cellular level, supporting skin repair and renewal. It's a delicious way to care for your appearance from the inside out. For your eyes, beta-carotene converts to vitamin A, vital for night and color vision. This essential nutrient helps maintain the health of your retina and prevents dryness or irritation. Regularly eating apricots can support sharp vision and help you see clearly, even in low light. Apricots help prevent vitamin A deficiency and support long-term eye health. They're a smart choice for anyone wanting to protect their eyesight as they age, reducing the risk of vision problems and keeping your eyes bright and healthy. Their antioxidants also guard against age-related macular degeneration. By fighting oxidative stress, apricots help preserve your vision and overall eye function, so you can continue to enjoy the beauty of the world around you. For digestion, apricot's soluble fiber forms a gel in your gut, slowing digestion and stabilizing blood sugar. This gentle process helps you feel fuller for longer, supports regular bowel movements, and can even help manage cholesterol levels. This fiber feeds beneficial gut bacteria, supporting a healthy microbiome. A balanced gut is linked to better nutrient absorption, less bloating, and improved overall digestive comfort. A happy gut means better immunity and mood. When your digestive system thrives, your body can fight off illness more effectively, and your mental well-being gets a boost too. Apricots, simple, delicious, and great for your skin, eyes, and gut. They're a small fruit with a big impact, making them a smart addition to any healthy lifestyle. Not just a pretty face, an all-around health booster. That's the apricot story. Next time you see these little gems, remember, you're not just enjoying a tasty treat, you're nourishing your whole body. Now let's talk avocado. Unlike the apricot, avocado is all about healthy fats, especially monounsaturated oleic acid, the same found in olive oil. One avocado has over 20 grams of fat and about 240 calories, but these are quality calories. Avocado's fats help lower bad cholesterol and support heart health. They also aid absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin A. Avocados are rich in vitamin K, folate, vitamin C, E, and B vitamins. They're loaded with potassium more per gram than bananas, and provide magnesium for muscle and nerve function. When you eat avocado, you get creamy flavor and a dense package of nutrients. It's nature's butter, but so much better for you. That's the avocado edge. Avocado's main mission? Heart health. Its monounsaturated fats lower bad cholesterol and raise good cholesterol, while potassium helps control blood pressure. Avocado is also a fiber powerhouse, almost half your daily needs in one fruit, keeping digestion regular and feeding your gut bacteria. A healthy gut means better immunity and less inflammation. For your brain, avocado's healthy fats and antioxidants support blood flow and cognitive function. Lutein, found in avocados, is linked to sharper thinking. Despite being calorie-dense, avocados help with weight management. Their fat and fiber keep you full, reducing overeating. They also help regulate blood sugar, preventing energy crashes. Avocado creamy, filling, and a champion for your heart, gut, and brain. It's more than a trend, it's a nutritional crusader. Add it to your diet for lasting benefits. That's the avocado advantage. Let's compare apricot and avocado side by side, 100 grams each. Calories. Apricot is the lightweight, just 48 calories. Avocado, 160 calories. Fat avocado dominates with 15 grams of mostly monounsaturated fat. Apricot is nearly fat-free. Fiber avocado packs 7 grams. Apricot offers 2 grams, both great, but avocado wins on quantity. Vitamin A. Apricot shines, delivering 39% of your daily needs. Avocado, just 3%. Potassium. Both are good sources, but avocado edges ahead. Apricot is your go-to for low-calorie, high-vitamin snacking. Avocado is your choice for healthy fats and fiber. They're not rivals, they're specialists. Each brings something unique to your plate. Use them according to your needs. That's the numbers game. Choose wisely, and you win. The real power is in knowing the difference. In the produce aisle, which do you choose, apricot or avocado? It depends on your goal. For weight management or a light snack, apricot is your champion. Low calorie, sweet and satisfying. For lasting fullness and energy, avocado wins. Healthy fats and fiber keep you going. Apricots are perfect for a quick snack or a sweet breakfast boost. Avocado is ideal for a hearty meal or post-workout recovery. Consider your overall diet. If you need more vitamins, go apricot. If you need more healthy fats, go avocado. It's not about picking a winner. It's about using each fruit strategically. Mix and match for a balanced, effective eating plan. That's smart nutrition. Here's the secret. Apricot and avocado aren't rivals, they're teammates. When you bring these two together, you're not just mixing flavors, you're combining their unique strengths for a bigger health impact. Their nutrients complement each other, creating a synergy that's greater than the sum of their parts. Each fruit brings something special to the table, and together, they help your body thrive in ways you might not expect. Picture a salad. leafy greens, grilled chicken, sweet apricots, and creamy avocado. It's not just delicious, it's a nutritional powerhouse. The apricot brings vitamins like A and C, plus natural sweetness and fiber to keep you feeling full and energized. The avocado adds healthy fats, vitamin E, and helps you absorb those vitamins from the apricot even better, making every bite more nourishing. This nutrient synergy is key. Some nutrients work better together. When you eat them in the same meal, your body can unlock more benefits than if you ate them separately. Avocado's healthy fats unlock the full potential of apricot's carotenoids, making them easier for your body to use. Together, they make meals more complete, satisfying, and enjoyable for everyone at the table. Try them in salads, smoothies, or salsas. You can even add them to grain bowls or breakfast toast for a fresh twist. By eating both, you get a spectrum of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, healthy fats, and fiber, covering more of your nutritional bases in one meal. You support your eyes, skin, heart, brain, and gut. These benefits add up over time, helping you feel your best every day. Variety is the foundation of a healthy diet. Mixing different fruits and vegetables gives your body what it needs to stay strong and resilient. Apricot and avocado, a perfect nutritional partnership that's as good for your taste buds as it is for your health. Use them together for your best health, and discover how delicious healthy eating can be when you pair the right foods. So, who wins, apricot or avocado? The answer is you. Both are champions, each with a unique role. Apricot is your light, sweet, vitamin-packed snack. Avocado is your creamy, filling, heart-healthy powerhouse. They're different tools for different jobs in your healthy diet. The real lesson? Variety matters. Build a diverse team of foods. Don't rely on just one. Embrace both fruits for their strengths. Enjoy the sweet simplicity of apricot and the rich satisfaction of avocado. Use them together and enjoy the journey to better health. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have some apricot avocado salsa to make.